Greetings and welcome to part 2 of my series titled Reviving Jamaica's Faltering Tourism Industry. And today's topic is, does tourism offers Jamaica 10 times more returns than other FDI industries? We're going to look and compare our tourism industry to some other industries like aluminum, and to see how much of the dollar or the end product does Jamaica. Now, the government said that 40% of the tourism dollar stays in Jamaica. Some will argue that this is too small. Jamaica deserves more. But I think it's a golden opportunity for Jamaica. We need to massively develop our tourism industry while we have the chance. Then use our agricultural sector to retain more of the tourism dollar in Jamaica. When one compares the tourism industry to other major foreign-owned industries in Jamaica, one can see the huge advantage of the tourism industry above the other foreign direct investments, or FDIs, in Jamaica. For example, if we make a comparison with the bauxite industry, we will see the huge differences in the amount of money that Jamaica retains from the end product. Jamaica only earns about US $1.50 per metric ton for the bauxite that the FDIs are mining in the country. Now, it costs about US $35 to produce 1 ton of bauxite in Jamaica. Let's say a third of that, this is US $12, is labor costs for Jamaicans. So the company spend US $35 to produce 1 ton of bauxite, and they pay the labor cost to Jamaicans $12. That's a big margin, but I think it's less than that. But I'll just use that, for example. Now, hence, the government levy plus labor costs would equal US $13.50 per ton that Jamaica is earning from the bauxite industry. Let's double the government levy to US $3 per ton and make it US $15 per ton that Jamaica is earning from the bauxite industry. US $15 per ton, including labor cost and the government levy, of course. Now, the cost of the bauxite on the open market is roughly US $450 per ton. Hence, Jamaica is earning less than 3% of the end cost of bauxite when one considers that when bauxite is turned into aluminum, the cost is then US $2,500 per ton. Hence, Jamaica is earning roughly 0.6% of the end product, which is when bauxite is turned into aluminum. When one compares tourism to bauxite, the difference that Jamaica earns as a percentage of the returns of the end product is quite staggering. Though Jamaica needs several different income streams and not just to rely on our tourism industry, however, the tourism is well ahead of bauxite when one compares the two in terms of the benefits for Jamaica. The differences in earnings from the two industries is mainly due to the fact that while the tourism sector is based in Jamaica, the processing to turn bauxite into aluminum is not based in Jamaica, but is done abroad. Hence, bauxite is loaded onto a ship and brought to another country where all the work is done to turn bauxite into aluminum. Hence, Jamaica only gets 0.6% of the value of the end product. Tourism is the exact opposite of bauxite, because people are loaded onto a plane when it comes to tourism loaded onto a plane, and brought to Jamaica, where all the activities for their holiday take place, as opposed to the manufacturing of raw materials which are processed overseas. In tourism, people need to be fed, they need to be entertained, then go to sleep each night in a clean room and on a clean bed, etc. So all that labor costs, into tourism, money stays in Jamaica. Hence, 40% of a tourism dollar staying in Jamaica, as opposed to only 0.6% of the aluminum dollar that Jamaican earns from the end product of our bauxite industry. Therefore, in my opinion, there are no other FDI industry in the history of independent Jamaica that see Jamaica retains anything near 40% of the end product. So Jamaicans, you have a golden opportunity with bauxite, with the tourism industry. And don't let people talk about, oh, it's slave labor, it's this, is that. Let me tell you something. If African countries would have earned 4%, if 4% of all the mining that's happening in Africa, with the gold mine, the diamond mines, the copper, silver, everything like that, if 4% was sent in Africa, Africa would have been wealthy.